Today we're making simple spicy baked broccoli. This is a side dish, and we're going to start off by washing and then separating our broccoli florets. Once we separated those and they're in small pieces, we're going to go ahead and place those on a baking sheet. And now we're going to start adding our seasoning. First we're going to add some salt, and this is to personal taste. Some black pepper, also to personal taste. Red pepper flakes. Some freshly grated garlic, and this is just one garlic clove. If you like a lot of garlic, go ahead and add more. And the juice of half a lemon. Make sure you catch those seeds. And there you go, just distribute all the seasonings. And we're gonna go ahead and bake that at 350 for about 10 to 15 minutes. And once they're ready, you can sprinkle some nutritional yeast, as I did. This is optional, or you can sprinkle on some Parmesan cheese. It's optional, it's your choice. And after that, you can enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I upload Monday through Thursday, and as always, thanks for watching. Talk to you next video.